Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom Poisoned Farts and Winstonia Absolutely Nautical. So I've already got Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone on my nails, and this is Poisoned Farts. It's a blue and green multi-chrome, duochrome with some of those, I don't know what glitter, reflective glitters. I don't know what they're called. Having a brain moment. And I've got two polishes from this. So I've got two videos coming. And I know a lot of you are going to think that it's the same exact polish, but it's not. It's crazy. I've never had this happen before. They look totally different in the bottle, but on the nail, in most lights, they look exactly the same. So today we're doing the Poisoned Farts. F-A-R-T-S. Excuse you, Cotton. Bless you, baby. And hi, Woody. How you doing? It's like a goat rodeo over here. So we're going to top this one here with I&M's out the door. Going to get it to dry down. Going to do a little bit of playing. This was such a pretty polish, and I have got to figure out some good lighting to be able to get video footage and especially photos of that reflective glitter that's in there. Stunning polish. Absolutely Nautical by Winstonia. And I'll be using this old bundle monster. It's astronomical. It's a baby blue stamping polish. I've got out my old Konad stamper and my Edge Lacquer scraper today. And I'm just going to use different images from all over this plate. Did not want no matchy-matchy going on today. I wanted something that was going to be, you know, different on every nail. I'm actually pretty stoked with how good that turned out. Normally my thumbs are not my best stamping. It's the angle. And then you've got this little sailboat. Could not pass up the sailboat. It's so cute. Get that extra up with a piece of tape off that stamper. And I'm doing that close to the tip of the nail on that one. I still wanted to leave some of this polish just to shine through on its own, you know. But back to what I was saying, I really do need to figure out some good lighting to be able to get good swatch photos of these reflective polishes. I've worn several of them, mostly from Dom, and then I've got a couple that I've picked up off of Polish Pickup, and I just don't know how to showcase them yet. So, you know, as far as showing them their full potential to you guys, and so we're going to work on that. Love this image with all the different ropes and the knots tied in the ropes. This one really spoke to me. Y'all gonna have to excuse my sinuses. They've been jacked ever since I had the COVIDs. Just up in my head, in my sinus cavities. Not in my chest, thankfully, knock on wood. It's been doing pretty good. But yeah, my sinuses are just jacked, and it's like 100 and a gazillion degrees here today, so that's not helping. Little anchors on the pinky. You can't hardly see them though, so I don't know. I do clean my plate off with pure acetone. Wipe it down with the lint-free wipe. And I am going to cut up some t-shirts like my friend suggested for these plates that are engraved really well. I've got my cleanup brush out, and I am sorry this is blurry. I was going to just cut it out, and I just couldn't bring myself to do it. Now that is done, I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. This is my ride or die. Love it. And then once that's completely dry, I'm going to top these with Poshe top coat. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. You know, I didn't go too crazy on it. And here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time. Be good to yourself.